Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a product that has been making waves in the cleaning world, the Black+Decker Dustbuster AdvancedClean Cordless Handheld Vacuum. We found this fantastic vacuum online and have included a link in the description below for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Black+Decker Dustbuster AdvancedClean? Simply put, it's a versatile, cordless handheld vacuum designed for quick cleanups around your home and in your vehicle. This compact cleaning device is perfect for tackling a variety of messes, from everyday dirt and debris to pet hair and crumbs that seem to accumulate in every corner of our lives. Let's talk about some of the standout features that make the Dustbuster AdvancedClean a top choice. First off, it's incredibly lightweight and portable, which means you can easily maneuver it around your home or take it with you in the car. The cordless design provides the freedom to clean without being tethered to a wall, making it super convenient for those hard-to-reach spots. One of the key components of this vacuum is its powerful 16V max lithium-ion battery, which ensures that you get consistent, high suction power throughout your cleaning session. This vacuum is equipped with cyclonic action technology that spins dust and debris away from the filter, ensuring that you maintain strong suction without clogging. Another great feature is the rotating slim nozzle that allows you to clean in tight spaces with ease. Whether you're trying to get into the nooks and crannies of your couch or the corners of your car, this nozzle makes it a breeze. Additionally, the pull-out crevice tool is perfect for accessing those hard-to-reach areas, like between cushions or on top of shelves. Plus, the flip-up brush adds extra versatility for dusting surfaces, making this vacuum a true multitasker. The Dustbuster's design also emphasizes ease of use. The translucent, bagless dirt bowl allows you to see when it's time to empty it, and when you do, it's a simple process, no need to touch the dirt. Just detach the bowl, empty it, and you're good to go. For optimal performance, it's advisable to empty the dirt bowl after each use and clean the filter regularly, as this will help keep your vacuum running smoothly for years to come. Now, who exactly is this vacuum suitable for? The Black+Decker Dustbuster AdvancedClean is perfect for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. If you have pets, children, or simply live a busy lifestyle, this vacuum can be a game changer. It's especially useful for those quick cleanups in high-traffic areas and can easily handle both carpeted surfaces and hard floors. You might also find it particularly handy for car cleaning. No one likes to see crumbs or pet hair strewn across the seats. This vacuum is compact enough to store in your trunk or garage, ready for those spontaneous cleaning sessions. In practical use, you can take the Dustbuster to clean up after a family gathering, tackle those pesky pet hair deposits from your couch, or even keep your car looking pristine after a road trip. With its versatile attachments and powerful suction, it becomes an indispensable tool in your cleaning arsenal. In summary, the Black+Decker Dustbuster AdvancedClean is a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly handheld vacuum that caters to a variety of cleaning needs. Its cordless design, powerful suction, and thoughtful features make it a worthy addition to any household. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.